Thank you, guys.
I just got word from our radar tracking station that the helicopter is still about 5 minutes or so away. So you think we can convince her to do one more song? Come on. One more song. All right.
Thank you. All right. Hit it, guys. Thanks, everybody. Thank you so much. I hope you all get everything you want.
All right, another big round of applause. Now, I'd like to invite some of our guests up on the stage now, help us get ready. One of my friends who just joined us just a little while ago, come on up, everybody start coming up. He is the county legislator for this district, the 8th district, Anthony Piccirillo. Give him a big round of applause. If he's not nice to me, I'll make him sing Christmas carols. So from what I understand, is the helicopter is only a couple of minutes away, so we want to keep our eyes peeled. Should be here very soon, but I'm not popular. This is what's popular. So everyone's excited to see our special guests. But you know what? I think we need a little more Christmas spirit to get Santa to show up. Maybe we can have our DJ get us started with maybe Holly Jolly Christmas, or Jay, what's up next? Hey. I think I see a helicopter up there.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, I think I see Santa waving. Woo! Let's keep our eyes up there. He's going to be coming around. It is. Here he is.
He's coming. Woo, Santa!
Everybody on three, let's give him a Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3. Merry just one more minute. He's going to go behind the hill and land, and our friends at the fire department are going to bring him up here.